Joining the line with Rick Moir from the Hollis Ford sales team. Rick, it's a new month and new incentives.
It certainly is, and it's looking good, especially for anybody that's interested in getting a new 2021 Escape, because right now we're giving no charge all-wheel drive. So it's a good little deal there.
Absolutely, and you got some amazing discounts on your remaining 2020s too.
Yes, we do, for any of the remaining 2020 models. There's some really good deals for those, so if somebody's looking to pick something up, I'm sure we've got a deal for them.
And let's talk about your Drive Yellow campaign, Rick.
This is something, yes, we're proud of. Hollis Ford, right now, for the month of April, for any new or used vehicle purchase during the month, Hollis Ford will donate $50 towards the Canadian Cancer Society, plus a percentage from our service department.
Okay, well, check them out today. Hollis Ford. Why go anywhere else?